welcome to Daniel's cooking show. Today we'll be cooking some cookies as you see here. Here. So this is my first time. We'll be doing lemon cookie. So what we're gonna do first is to wash our hands. Okay, very good. Then we need to weigh. We need to weigh. So what must we weigh? We have to weigh the flour.
She's sticking the flour now.
The thing is, why flour come from?
So we wait. So exactly the thing we want. And we don't need a bowl. Hot thing.
Oh, we must squeeze.
And then I'll pass to my friends to add some water. No, you must do fast, please.
You freeze first.
Add some water. After adding water, you have to add some pepper and salt. Pepper, salt, and then you need to do the thing until a dough. A dough.
Freeze.
Dough is ready. Roll it.
And then we need to roll it. Okay, done. It's done. So what we need to do is just bake it. That shit inside here.
Yeah, this is the model 2000. It's the model.
Okay, then we Chinese
Oh, it's a big careful. This way.
and then pause.
Hi, welcome to the commercial. This is advertisement of ikea. And what is ikea? What does ikea sell? Of course, it sells food. Not that woman is a food. So what do we do now? It's commercial now.
commercial 是讲了没
Welcome to commercial and bye. Bye.
Go.
Hi, welcome back. Cooking is the thing is done. So now what must we do after we eat it? Let's eat it.
Oh, just have to put inside.
So you have to put inside. How do we put inside?
Be careful, be careful.
One by one, we are very clean, you know. We just like that.